Hello, motivational seekers. Welcome back to our channel. The topic of our today's presentation is how to stay motivated when you feel like giving up, when the world feels too heavy. There are moments in life when the weight on your shoulders feels unbearable, moments when giving up seems easier than taking one more step. You lie awake at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering why are you fighting so hard? Why things are not changing? Why success feels so far away? You feel alone, you feel tired, you feel defeated. But listen closely. This video is not here to make you feel good for a moment. It is here to remind you of something powerful. You were built for the storm. Because the truth is, people who reach extraordinary success are not the ones who never fall. They are the ones who refuse to stay down. Today you are going to learn how to stay motivated when everything inside you wants to quit. The moment you feel like walking away. Let's start with the most important truth. Everything hits a breaking point. Every champion, every millionaire, every world-class athlete, every successful person you admire. The difference is not in their talent. The difference is not in their intelligence. The difference is not in their luck. The difference is in this. When their mind screams stop, they whisper back, just one more step. That whisper is your superpower, because motivation is not about feeling energetic every day. It is about pushing forward on the days you don't. Success is built in the dark, on the lonely nights, on the days when nobody believes in you, not even yourself. The battle inside your mind. Your biggest enemy is not the competition, not the obstacles, not the failures. Your biggest enemy is the voice that says, "You are not good enough. It is too hard. Why even try? What if you fail again?" That voice is powerful. It's persistent. It's loud. But here is the secret most people never learn. You don't have to silence that voice. You only have to speak louder. You have to tell yourself, "I can do this. I will get through this. This is temporary. I have survived even worse." Because motivation is not about eliminating fear. It is about choosing courage despite fear. Pain is your greatest teacher. Pain changes people. It forces you to grow. It tests your patience. It hardens your character. It shows you what you are really made of. Success is not built on comfort. Comfort builds nothing. Pain builds warriors. Pain builds discipline. Pain builds resilience. Think about every person who changed their life, from athletes to entrepreneurs, to inventors to single parents raising families. Every one of them reached a point where they said, "I can't do this anymore." But instead of quitting, they took that pain, that exhaustion, that frustration, and turned it into power. Your pain can be your fuel if you let it. The power of small progress. Most people quit because they are obsessed with the big goal. The dream body, the dream career, the dream income, the dream life. But let me tell you something life-changing. Big goals don't keep you motivated. Small victories do. Every time you do one tiny thing like 10 minutes of exercise, reading 5 pages, saving a little money, improving one habit, learning one new skill, you stack tiny wins. And tiny wins make you unstoppable. Progress is addictive if you let yourself notice it. Motivation is not about giant leaps. It's about consistent steps repeated relentlessly. Remember why you started. When you feel like giving up, go back to the beginning. Why did you start? What pain were you trying to escape? What future were you trying to build? Who were you trying to prove wrong? Or who were you trying to make proud? Maybe it was for your family, for your children, for your future self. Maybe it was to break up generational cycle. Maybe it was to build a life nobody in your past ever thought was possible. Your why is your anchor. When the storm hits, your why is what keeps you standing. Write it down, repeat it daily, burn it into your mind. Because the person who remembers their why can survive anyhow. Failure is a part of the process. People think failures mean stop, but failure doesn't mean stop. Failures mean adjust and continue. Think of every successful person. Michael Jordan was cut from his basketball team. Walt Disney was told he had no creativity. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers. If they stopped the moment they failed, they would have been forgotten. But they didn't stop, and neither should you. Failure is a feedback, failure is a direction, failure is growth, failure is experience. Failure is the universe teaching you what does not work. Every setback brings you one step closer to the breakthrough. The power of self discipline. Motivation will not always be there. Discipline is what carries you when motivation disappears. The greatest athletes don't train because they feel motivated, they train because they are disciplined. The most successful entrepreneurs don't work 12 hours a day because they want to. They do it because they are committed. Motivation is a spark, and discipline is the engine. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your habits. So build habits that support your mission, even small ones. Wake up a little earlier, read a few minutes a day, track your progress, show up even when you don't want to. Discipline creates consistency. Consistency creates results. Results create motivation. It all begins with you. Remove what destroys your motivation. Sometimes your lack of motivation is not internal, it's external. Your environment matters, your circle matters, your habit matters. Ask yourself, what habits drain my energy? What people discourage me? What routine wastes my time? What negativity am I consuming? You cannot grow in toxic soil. Your potential cannot bloom in a negative environment. Cut out what weakens you. Protect your focus. Guard your energy. Your future depends on it. Surround yourself with the people who want you to win. You become like the people you spend time with. If you surround yourself with complainers, you will complain. If you surround yourself with dreamers, you will dream. If you surround yourself with achievers, you will achieve. Find people who remind you of your goals, not your limitations. Find people who inspire you, not drain you. Find people who push you, not hold you back. One powerful friend can change your life. One strong mentor can shift your mindset. One sportive partner can transform your future. Choose your circle wisely. Commitment over emotion. Your feelings are temporary. Your future is permanent. There will be days when you wake up motivated and days when you don't. But commitment does not care about your feelings. Commitment says, I don't feel like it, but I will do it anyway. This is where champions are made. Not in the moments of excitement, but in the moments of exhaustion. You are stronger than you think. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself, you have survived 100% of your worst days. You have overcome challenges you once thought were impossible. You have gone through pain you thought would break you. You are stronger than your excuses. You are bigger than your fears. You are more powerful than your self doubt. Inside you is a version of yourself who has already accomplished everything you dream of. Your job is to become that person. The breakthrough always comes after the hardest moments. This is a pattern in life. Right before something incredible happens, your life becomes unbelievably difficult. The universe tests you, it pushes you, it stretches you, it challenges you, not to break you, but to prepare you. Imagine if you quit right before the success you have been chasing. Imagine if your miracle was one day away. Imagine if the opportunity you have been waiting for was about to show up, but you walked away too early. Don't let be that your story. Hold on, keep pushing, stay consistent. Your breakthrough is coming. The message you need to hear today. If you feel like giving up, this is the moment to rise. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when things get easier, right now. You don't have to take a giant leap. Just take one step, then another. Because success is not built in one day. It is built daily. And one day you will look back at this moment. The moment you almost quit. And you will be thanking yourself for choosing to keep going. Your future self is watching. Don't let them down. You are stronger than your circumstances. You are greater than your challenges. You are capable of extraordinary things. Stand up. Take a deep breath. Move forward. Your story is not over. It is just beginning.